So this has been enlightening for me. I think it was April 2025, and just decided I didn't want to do it. I was like, well, I'll just do something else, going back into manufacturing. My heart was on clinical research, but I was like, nah, I need to do what I'm comfortable with. So I just stepped out on faith, and here I am. And it's probably the best decision I could have made. I would call it alignment. When I say alignment, I received an email from a medical doctor here in Atlanta at Winship Cancer Institute of Emory University. And he wants to interview me via Zoom on Monday for the assistant director position of quality. That's the testimony to everyone on here. That's alignment. This positive energy is what I needed.